Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you 10 Termux basic commands. So before starting the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Number 1. PKG update command updates the package list to ensure you have the latest software. Number 2. PKG upgrade command upgrades installed packages to their latest versions. Number 3. Clear command is used to clear screen. Number 4. PKG install command installs a new package. Number 5. PKG list installed command lists all installed packages. Number 6. PKG remove command uninstalls a package. Number 7. CD command changes the current directory to the specified directory. Number 8. LS command lists files and directories in the current directory. Number 9. PWD command prints the current working directory. Number 10. Touch command creates an empty file with the specified file name. So these are the 10 Termux basics commands. I hope that this video is helpful for you, and don't forget like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, goodbye.